Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen yum yum. First, focus on the broth, which is the heart of any great ramen dish. Next, choose your noodles wisely. Fresh noodles often provide a superior chew. Finally, remember that toppings are crucial for adding layers of flavor and texture. We'll cover each step to ensure your homemade ramen is truly exceptional and satisfying, making it a delightful meal for everyone. For truly delicious ramen, start with a robust dashi broth made from kombu and bonito flakes, providing a deep umami flavor. Next, select your tare, which is the seasoning concentrate. Shoyu, miso, or shio are popular choices. Don't forget fresh, springy ramen noodles, which cook quickly in about 2 minutes. Finally, gather your favorite toppings like tender chashu pork, perfectly soft-boiled eggs, and crisp nori seaweed. To craft your ramen bowl, begin by gently simmering your dashi broth for about 20 minutes to fully develop its flavors. While the broth simmers, prepare your toppings. Just before serving, whisk your chosen tare into the hot broth. Cook your fresh ramen noodles in rapidly boiling water for precisely 2 minutes until al dente. Finally, assemble your bowl by adding the hot broth, noodles, and your carefully prepared toppings. To perfect your ramen, consider the toppings. Marinate soft-boiled eggs in a soy sauce mixture for at least 4 hours to create delicious ajitama. Slice your tender chashu pork thinly and warm it gently in the broth. Garnish with fresh, thinly sliced scallions, crunchy menma bamboo shoots, and a crisp sheet of nori seaweed. For an extra layer of flavor, a drizzle of aromatic chili oil or toasted sesame oil can elevate your bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.